Did you know that a simple box of baking soda, the same powder you use to keep your fridge fresh or make your cookies rise, can be one of the most powerful tools in your gardening arsenal? That's right. This humble kitchen staple is packed with surprising uses that can transform the way you care for your plants, tackle pests, and even boost your harvest. If you've ever struggled with stubborn garden problems, you might be amazed to learn just how much baking soda can do for your green space. Gardening is both an art and a science. Whether you're tending to a few pots on a balcony or nurturing a sprawling backyard oasis, every gardener faces a familiar set of challenges. Pests nibble at your prized vegetables, mysterious diseases threaten your roses, and sometimes the soil itself seems to work against your best efforts. Store-bought solutions can be costly, full of harsh chemicals, and not always effective. That's where baking soda comes in. A natural, affordable alternative that can simplify your gardening tasks and help you grow healthier, more vibrant plants. Let's dive into some of the most common issues gardeners encounter and discover how baking soda can come to the rescue. First, let's talk about pests. Aphids, spider mites, and ants are just a few of the unwelcome visitors that can make themselves at home in your garden. Instead of reaching for a chemical pesticide, try mixing a teaspoon of baking soda with 1/3 of a cup of olive oil and a cup of water. Shake well and spray this solution onto affected plants. Baking soda acts as a mild insecticide, and the oil helps it stick to leaves, making it harder for pests to thrive. Not only is this method safe for your plants and the environment, but it also keeps your edible crops free from harmful residues. Plant diseases are another common frustration. Powdery mildew, for example, is a pesky fungus that coats leaves in a white, dusty film, weakening plants and reducing yields. Baking soda is a natural fungicide. To treat powdery mildew, dissolve 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of liquid soap in a gallon of water. Spray this mixture onto the affected leaves every few days until the problem disappears. The baking soda changes the pH on the leaf surface, making it inhospitable for fungus to grow. This simple hack can save your zucchini, cucumbers, and roses from a fungal takeover. But baking soda isn't just for fighting pests and diseases. It can also help you improve your soil. Many gardeners struggle with acidity, especially when growing vegetables that prefer a more neutral or slightly alkaline soil. If your soil is too acidic, baking soda can be used as a gentle amendment. Sprinkle a small amount, about a tablespoon per square foot, onto the soil and water it in. Over time, this will help raise the pH, making nutrients more available to your plants. Just be sure to test your soil first, as too much baking soda can swing the balance too far the other way. Did you know that baking soda can even sweeten the flavor of your tomatoes? It's true! If your tomatoes taste a little too tart, lightly dusting the soil around the base of your plants with baking soda can reduce acidity, leading to sweeter fruit. This trick works because tomatoes absorb some of the baking soda, which helps to neutralize acidic compounds in the fruit. Weeds are another relentless foe for gardeners everywhere. While baking soda won't prevent all weeds, it can help you keep paths, patios, and driveways weed-free. Simply sprinkle baking soda directly onto the weeds or into the cracks where they grow. The baking soda dries out the leaves and disrupts the plant's ability to photosynthesize, causing them to wither and die. This method is most effective on young weeds and is a safer alternative to harsh chemical weed killers. If you're a compost enthusiast, here's another hack. Baking soda can help control odors in your compost pile. Sometimes, decomposing organic matter can get a little smelly, especially if the pile becomes too acidic. A light sprinkle of baking soda can neutralize odors and help maintain a healthier balance in your compost. Just be careful not to overdo it, as too much can slow down the decomposition process. Now, for one of the most surprising and effective baking soda hacks, cleaning garden tools and pots. Dirty tools can harbor bacteria, fungi, and pests that spread disease from plant to plant. Make a paste with baking soda and water, use it to scrub your tools and pots, and watch as grime, rust, and residue disappear. Not only will this keep your gardening gear in top shape, but it will also help protect your plants from potential threats. Perhaps the most dramatic transformation you can achieve with baking soda comes from its ability to revive tired, yellowing leaves. Sometimes, plants suffer from mineral deficiencies or imbalanced pH, causing their leaves to turn yellow and wilt. Dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in a quart of water and use it to water the base of affected plants. Within days, many gardeners report seeing greener, perkier leaves and stronger growth. It's a fast, affordable fix that can breathe new life into struggling plants. To sum up, baking soda is truly a gardener's secret weapon. It can help you control pests naturally, fight off fungal diseases, amend your soil, sweeten your tomatoes, eliminate weeds, freshen your compost, clean your tools, and even revive tired plants. All of this from a product you probably already have in your kitchen cupboard. The next time you face a stubborn garden problem, reach for baking soda before you turn to expensive or chemical-based solutions. If you found these baking soda gardening hacks helpful, imagine what other simple household items could do for your garden. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips, clever shortcuts, and creative ideas to make your gardening journey easier and more rewarding. Give these hacks a try and watch your garden thrive like never before.